Everyone, we are going to see a topic image of a point object formed by a plane mirror. So to show this, we are going to take first of all a plane mirror. Plane mirror M. And in this plane mirror, we are taking a point object P, and we want to see that where the image of this point object P will formed. We are knowing that, and it is a rule that when we will make any ray diagram, we will start the ray of light from the object. It is the rule. So from this, we are going to take a two ray of light. One falling on plane mirror. After reflection, this both ray of light reflecting back in same medium, right? If observer observe the ray of light through here, although the light is coming from a point object P, falling on the mirror, reflecting back in the same medium, but if it is persist by an observer, then he persists that this ray of light is coming straight. When we proceed reflected light back, we see that this ray of light seems to come from point I. So image I is obtained of object P at I here. When we draw perpendicular line from P to the plane mirror, this line again here, if you keep any name here, suppose the C. So see, now we want to see the relation between PC and CI. Are they equal or not? So to prove this, let us see a supplementary diagram for this. What is proof we are going to do? Distance of object from plane mirror and distance of image from plane mirror. So to prove that, see this supplementary diagram. This is position of plane mirror. Point object P is here. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal, point of incidence O, and observer position moving back. Here image I is formed, right? This is perpendicular distance. Take the some name, let it is angle of incidence I, angle of incidence R, incident ray, reflected ray, right? Now see carefully here in this diagram to represent the whole scenario. Now what happened when we take one more ray here? If we take, there is one rule: if it is fall normally, moving back in same direction without it. Now see, angle of incidence Angle PON is angle I, angle of incidence, and angle NO, suppose this point is B, NOB, it is angle R. And by law of reflection, both angle I and angle R is equal. This both angles are equal. Now see very carefully, this is two parallel line and this line intersect. So alternate angles are equal. This angle is also equal. It means if we are taking this point P and it is a point D, then angle, this implies that angle PDO is also I. This angle is I. Right? Now, angle and angle PDO is equal to 90 degree perpendicular, and angle IDO is also 90 degree. It is also 90 degree. These two angles are equal. And see, side, this is D. So side DO is common in both triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. 90 degrees, this PDO, and this is second angle is IDO, both is 90 degree. So see here in this diagram, when we increase down, these two are a straight line, a parallel line, and the same ray is intersecting both lines. So corresponding angles are equal. If this angle is R, this is R also. It means that angle DIO is angle of reflection. Since I and R is equal, see in that diagram, these two angle is 90 degree, these two are equal, imparting that these two angles are also equal. This shows that triangle PDO and triangle IDO is congruent. Congruence, if two triangles are congruent, then corresponding sides are equal. It means, it implies that PD is equal to DI. It means the distance from mirror to image is equal to mirror to object is equal to mirror to image. This proved. This is whole about image of a point object formed by a plane mirror. I hope you enjoyed well. Thank you and have a nice day.